Hi guys, welcome back to Mark's Home Kitchen. Now today we've got a mouth-watering treat in store for you. Roasted lamb chops with honey mustard, carrots and herb potatoes. Trust me, this one's a winner. So let's dive right in. First things first, we're going to prep our ingredients. We're going to grab a small handful of parsley and chives and we're going to finely chop them up and set them to the side. Now in a little bowl, we're going to combine 1 tablespoonful of wholegrain mustard, 1 tablespoonful of runny honey, 1 tablespoonful of olive oil. Give it a good mix up, and don't they just look like the dream team? Now let's set this aside for later. So next we're going to tackle those 4 medium-sized carrots, top and tail them and cut them into quarters lengthwise. Then we're going to try and keep them all about the same size for even cooking. Now we're into an oven-proof dish and we're going to pour that delicious mustard dressing all over them. Now it's time to get your hands in there, folks. Mix it up until every carrot is coated in all that goodness. Then we're going to pop the dish onto a roasting tray and we're going to get into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Now while the carrots are sizzling away, let's turn our attention to the star of the show. 500 grams of lamb chops or cutlets. We're going to season them liberally on both sides with a pinch of salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and watch till the end for further videos. Now after 15 minutes we're going to take those beautifully roasted carrots out of the oven and we're going to place the lamb chops right on top and then back into the oven for another 20 minutes until the lamb chops are perfectly cooked. Now let's head over to our cooker. We're going to place a steamer saucepan on a high heat and we're going to fill it with some boiling water. Add the steamer layer and go with some baby potatoes, or if they're larger just cut them in half. Pop the lid on and let them steam until they're cooked through. Now once they're ready we're going to transfer the potatoes to a bowl. And here's the magic touch. 2 tablespoonfuls of salted butter and those finely chopped herbs from earlier. Give them a good mix round and make sure that each potato is covered in that herby, buttery goodness. At the moment that we've all been waiting for, we're going to take the cooked lamb chops and carrots from the oven and let them rest for 2 minutes. This is crucial to let all the flavours settle. Right now it's time to plate up. Place those tender lamb chops and the honey mustard carrots and those heavenly herb potatoes onto a warm plate. Be sure to drizzle on plenty of that incredible honey mustard sauce and top off with the herb butter. And there you have it folks, roasted lamb chops with carrots and herb potatoes, ready to delight your taste buds. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video with your fun-loving friends, and hit the subscribe button for more mouth-watering recipes. Thanks for tuning in today, and I can't wait to see you in my further videos. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy yourself.